My name is Shannon Schertz. I own a French Bulldog business with my daughter. I also have a large children's home daycare, and I've been doing that for 33 years. We've been here for longer, probably about 45 years. I had had other people that had called by phone and people that had stopped by. I think it was someone who came to our door from West Haven, and I was just impressed with how professional they were, much more so than some of the others that had called or been by. I worked for Pacific Telephone in the training department many years ago, and had a lot of training on how to be professional, and so I'm always struck by how people present themselves, and they did a very good job of that. That's huge. And I think it's something people don't give enough credit to, of that first contact, because it's a deal breaker.
Right. It sets the tone for the whole.
It does. It does. And I was struck by that, and all of the other people that I said I wasn't interested to, when they came, they just caught my attention, and I said, yeah, I'd be willing to listen. And I wasn't that sure about solar anyway, because it's kind of a new thing, and so you're always worried about getting scammed or whatever. And so, you need that to see that extra something in a person that makes you feel like, I think I might be able to trust this person. And that's what they did. The team that came out, just as professional, and did what they said they were going to do, and walked me through how the equipment worked, and reassured me that if I was at a loss at any time, that I could always call and ask questions and find out that they would be more than willing to answer any questions that I would have. Yeah, had kids here, and I didn't at all feel threatened by the team being here with the kids here also. It was extremely easy. I didn't feel at all stressed by the situation, and they just came in and did everything they needed to do, and basically I just had to be here to let them in. Of course, with the daycare, and we have a swimming pool, pretty large swimming pool, and my PG&E bill had gotten up in the summer to over $800. It's now a fourth of that, and I'm very happy about that. Very, very happy. And it's a lot more fun to spend that money on other things. Truthfully, what I am paying right now is lower than any bill that I have received over the last 2 or 3 years. Very happy with that. I'm not a huge environmentalist, but I do believe in taking care of the planet that's been given to us to live in, and we should all do our part to the best of our ability. I feel very strongly about that. So that does weigh in some, and I just feel good that with panels on my home, that we're not taking energy from another source, a source that's not an ample supply. I smile at those panels every time I'm here. Look up and just say yes.
Yeah, doing a good thing.
Yeah, I have people that come out, and we're in our backyard a lot, and people look up on my roof, and they see the panels, and they'll ask me about West Haven, because like them, they've been had people coming and asking them if they would use their services. But I really think people are afraid. They're afraid to. It's kind